Alright guys, I am at a dilemma. I got this intake off, like I say, here's cylinder 2.6. Now, y'all know how difficult this can be sometimes to take the upper plenum off, especially on the big engine where you have no room. Should I just go ahead and swap coils? Because I'm more interested in where that misfire coming from, and I can always take this stuff back off and remove the valve cover to find out why it's ticking. Okay, which, you know, what's I know why it's ticking, but I want to know. Yes, I want to see why it's ticking. Okay, so, all right, I'm convinced it's not that hard. JT, stop being lazy. So, all right, I'm gonna swap 2 with 1 coil and plug. Okay, somebody will kill 2 birds with 1 stone, and then fire the car up and see if my misfire is still in cylinder 2. All right, we'll do it like that. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see, I have the car back running. What I ended up doing was really moving the coil to cylinder 2, the new one, and swapping that one with this one. Now, I got my computer set up. I want to see, as you can see the vibration, guys. There's still a miss. So let's see if it's in either number 2 or number 1. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go check it out. Alright guys, whoa, okay. I'm convinced. Yes, as you can see, misfire cylinder 2 still has a hard misfire counter. So we do have problems inside of cylinder 2, inside of bank 2 cylinder head. Might be, obviously. And guys, don't forget the ticking. So I suspect once I remove that valve cover, I'm gonna either find broken rocker arms or cylinder 2 just have an internal defect. Now again, you should run a compression test and or a leak down test. Unfortunately, I have neither today with me. Okay, so I'm at a whole totally different other shop, and I don't have that set up. So we'll figure it out as we go, guys. Let me take the valve cover off before it gets too hot. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, I did not find any loose rockers, so valve train is not the reason for the misfire. So I must proceed with removing the head and simply replacing the head. Now I have video footage of this already, so I don't want to go find a tripod, prop it up and try to film this for you guys. But I know, don't get me wrong, I know how much you guys want to see this stuff. I get criticized all the time. Man, go ahead and do the job, man, go ahead. Look, I'm gonna card a video right here, and I might put some of that video clip in this just to show you. This is no secret anymore, guys. It used to be just a dealer-only secret, but every shop out there known the man doing it this way. And what I'm referring to is removing the cylinder head without removing the timing cover. Okay, yes. And yes, you hear it from me. I know even I have a video out there saying you can't remove the right side without removing this. Yes, you can. I don't condone it, or I don't recommend you do it that way. But for the record, I'm aware of that way. A lot of people be telling me, yes, you can. I know I uploaded that video years ago. Okay, that's before I wise up and actually did one myself. All right, so let me get this apart. Now, I'll update you guys in a second. Stay tuned. So in order to remove this head without removing the timing chain cover, you have to remove this bolt. All right, now that is a little secret I employed, a little hack I employed a long time ago. All right, now as you can see, the head is loose, ready to come off actually, but that was the only thing holding him up, and I didn't want him to break it or break anything for that matter. So like I said, I came along to get it out. Now, as we can see, he got the bolts in the front of the timing chain cover off, so the head is rocking and ready to come. So let me put on some gloves, and we're gonna grab this head and get it off of here. Now lift up a little bit, then push backwards so you can clear anything else in the front of that timing cover. Once you do that, ladies and gentlemen, get you some light, make sure you can see, and just lift straight up. If everything is loose, like it should be, like he told me, this head will come straight up like this. All right, now we got the head off, ladies and gentlemen. Now what you want to do, man, like I said, I don't really know why we taking this off. I think he had some kind of code that was running rich or lean in bank 2. Okay, surely I'll have to talk with him, but surely he's not replacing this or removing his head just to replace the head gasket. I don't see a box around here. I don't know if he's replacing it or not, but if he's replacing it, that's some things you have to transfer. All right, guys, quick update. I got the head off, guys. Whoo, this one wasn't. The front wheel drives are not nearly as bad as the rear wheel drives are not nearly as bad as the front wheel drive. Okay, guys, the key to this I mean, I guess y'all call it a trick. The key to this is just make sure you mark the timing chain. I done so many, got it so down packed. Like, don't go off what you see, especially on this video, okay? Because I recommend you use a bungee cord to hold this up. Now, the chain is not going to drop. Obviously, I know that because I don't have a bungee cord on it. But to cut out some of the heavy concern, and someone may say, oh, my God, I mean, I ain't never watching him. He didn't even bungee cord his chain. That's because I am aware that you really don't have to, all right? And I work a different way than what I teach or the way I show, okay? Never confuse the two, guys. There's a lot of things, okay? Now, I'm about, yes, I agree, you should cover the intake. I'm out of rags. I'm going to get some more rags and cover that up. I don't want nothing to fall in that intake. Yes, guys, I'm very careful of the work I do, but I got the head off. That's my point. Now, you'll never be able to see why you're getting a Misfire in cylinder 2 based off this head. Yes, you can use a new head gasket, multi-lead steel, don't matter, going in with a new one. And I think they got me all new valve train parts as far as lifters and rocker arms, so we'll see. Use the same tension and use some of the same everything, but for the record, yes. So I want to rush through this and get it real done and I'm fired. Next time y'all see me, it'll be running, guys, and hopefully that Misfire will not be there. All right, so that's all I got for now, guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here we go. Look at that. Just as smooth as all outdoors, purling like a kitten, guys. Now, y'all still hear that ticking noise, right? I did call her and inform her that I did not find any failed valve train parts on this side. You know what that means? That means all the ticking in the issue is on this side, which is where I heard it from in the first place. So now what she gonna do, I guess, when she get paid or get some more money? See, I could have given her a discount because I had things apart. It don't take much to do bank 2, guys. I mean, the intake do have to come off in order to remove the valve cover, but it's fairly easy. I just wish she had done it all in one time. I hate giving a customer their car back sounding like this, but running good for now. Who knows how much you eat up that camshaft and then drivability will be affected. So it's all a numbers game, guys, when it comes to people's finances, okay? But I will say this, guys, I'm human. I will be honest. She's supposed to come back and get the ticking done. And let me show y'all something, and don't judge me, all right? Like I said, I'm human. Y'all see this? Yes, every now and then, even your boy, that's right, your boy JT will forget. It's not that I forget. You can be so in a hurry and you just, well, it is that I forget. Okay, and I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna hang on to this when she get ready. She said Friday, so when she come back Friday to get it done, I have to have the intake off anyway. Now, what happens if you leave this off? Somebody asked me that, guys. Absolutely nothing. To me, in my opinion, it's a sound dampener, a deadener, and it just cushion between the intake and bank 1. Okay. Nothing's going to happen if you leave it off. In fact, I see these laying all over the dealership all the time. And I have to believe that people are forgetting to put it on, not they leaving it off intentionally. Nobody's going to leave something off intentionally. When they tear something down and set it to the side, they just forget this. Okay, but nothing's going to happen. But I'm going to hang on to it and put it on when she get ready to do the other side. All right, guys, that's all I have, man. I really hate delivering this car with this noise, but it's purling like a kitten. But I have no choice. That's the position I'm in right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.